So you've had some work done. We established that.
Yeah.
First episode of our new season.
I've had some work done. From there up.
This area looks great, by the way. It's gorgeous. You had a hair. Do they call them hair transplants? What do they call
It's
it?
a multi-unit hair grafting.
Grafting.
I'm going to bring in my friend Darren to explain all of this stuff.
You're gonna graft it out for us and show us.
That's right.
Okay.
I brought a clip.
How you doing? Good to see you.
Fine. Take a look.
I know, it's amazing. Wow. How many months are we?
Oh gosh, it's been about 7 months.
7 months?
Yeah,
Wow.
7 months now.
Looks fantastic.
Yeah.
It's good to see you.
It's good to be here and be on the other side of all
Yeah,
the stuff.
back
that
in
goes
the
on
back
here.
at the scene of the crime.
Now take me back.
All right, let's go back to the day of the procedure. You had a total of about 6 people working on you. A doctor, medical assistant,
Blows my mind.
nurses, harvesting the follicles from the back, preparing the follicles, putting them back on the top of the scalp. So total time in the clinic was about 5 hours. And what's unique about what we do are the type of groupings we use. The multi-unit hair grafting gives us more density in a single transplant. And these are the areas those grafts are prepared. So this is the ARTIS system, the most advanced medical robot in the world. And what's different from the way we had our transplant done is the robot can extract the follicles individually from the back of the scalp. This is ideal for smaller areas of loss with certain restrictions on how guys want to wear their hair in the back. You can wear your hair very short. There's no noticeable impact of having had the transplant. And it extracts the follicles individually, faster recovery, less downtime. So different types of approaches for different needs. This is about 15 to 20% of the transplants that we do is done with this.
So it's interesting. It's very medical, very, obviously very high tech through here. Where are we going next?
This is an FDA approved low-level laser light. So in these scenarios, most people are doing it as a thickening and hair loss control measure to help maintain what they've already got. So we do a lot of that, FDA approved, safe. And it sits alongside the platelet-rich plasma, the PRP, which is very popular now as well, combined with laser hair therapy.
Taking a look at the hair up close. Now, you did this, I remember, with both my son and then with me.
Yeah, so what Will's doing here is doing an analysis. So when someone first comes in and we have a consultation, the first thing is what's going on with the hair? What type of hair loss do you have? If we're looking at hair transplantation, we're looking at the back of the scalp to see what the donor area is like. In this scenario with a young lady, we're looking globally over the top of the scalp from a hair loss prevention point of view to get an idea of the health of the scalp and the hair. So we can formulate a treatment plan depending on what's going on.
Tell the audience, how do a group of people like you guys get so into hair?
Well, that's a really good question. If you had said to me 20 years ago, I'd be here talking to you about hair. Most of us have been through it. Most of us have been through some type of hair restoration. I've had the hair transplant. Most of the employees here have had hair loss, so it's a sensitive issue. We have fun and joke a little bit, but it's a very serious issue. So for a lot of people coming in here, it's not just about the hair loss, it's about guiding them through that process after. And so, we're
because people, your looks for a lot of people are so important, and so I guess you guys see this as a way of improving lives.
Absolutely. You see someone come in and maybe they're down a little bit about their hair loss, they're wearing a hat in the case of a lot of the guys, and you see them afterwards with their hair back. Maybe they've lost weight, they dress differently, they have a different, stride to them, they're happier. It's a real thing. And so when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, good things happen. And it's true. And it's something we're passionate about, and it's neat. A transitions part of the business has been going for 22 years and really was started as a focus for non-surgical hair loss.
I'll ask you what a lot of people have asked me is, does your son take that off at night? Is that something that just snaps on and off?
No, it's permanent but reversible, and that's the great thing about it. In the old days, the old illusion of a hairpiece was,
toupee.
Oh, you go out in the wind and it would blow off.
It's going to fly up and,
It's now basically your hair. We can match it to real human hair that has a complete look of your hair. So the color, the coarseness, the wave, the curl. So you do not take it on and off, although it is reversible if we need to. But it's a full restoration, and you work out, you swim, you go about your life like you normally did. It's just those people are normally people that have a lot of hair loss and are better suited to that technology versus hair transplantation. Look at that VIP page.
Yeah, on your website, there's a whole page of me.
Yeah, so as you know, we've tracked your progress via videos and pictures on the VIP page, which is fun.
That's right. Me and Baxter are on some
You
of
and
that.
Baxter?
Yeah.
Thank you, Paul. So the good thing about the VIP page, from an educational point of view, and this is what we've tried to do is educate people before they come in, is the videos show you what to expect, both from a regrowth point of view and right after the procedure point of view. And we video the procedure as well, so the day of the procedure is there, talking about hairline design and all that kind of stuff. So, there's a number of those VIP pages on there, and you're the man at the moment. So it's a lot of fun.
I tip my hat to you. I don't even have to wear a hat anymore.
Thank you.
For Boomer TV, I'm Paul Poteet.